creamy tomato chicken breast. Guys, these are so flavorful, so darn delicious, and goes perfect with a bowl of pasta. I'm about to show you guys how it's done. Let's get started. To begin, we have ourselves 2 chicken breasts, and we are gonna pound these bad boys out. I have myself a little meat tenderizer. If you don't have one of these, you can use a rolling pin, whatever you have on hand in the kitchen to get the job done. Whatever it may be, doesn't matter. Pound these chicken breasts out. When that's all said and done, go ahead and grab you a little bit of olive oil and drizzle a little bit on top of these chicken breasts, and we are gonna give them a nice luxurious massage, as we always do once we have that oil on there. And to season these bad boys up, we're gonna be using my little all-purpose seasoning. On the screen, I have a list of everything you need to get this together. Go ahead and be generous, because you know how it is over here. We ain't never stingy when it comes to the seasoning, guys. We are very, very, very generous. So go ahead and season up both sides. Flip it, drizzle a little bit of olive oil on the other side. More seasoning, go crazy until both sides are well coated up. Alright, once your chicken is seasoned up to perfection, get you a little pan, drizzle some oil in there. I got my heat to about a medium high, and let them chicken breasts sizzle up, guys. Let that thing do its thing, you know what I mean? Until you have a nice beautiful crust. Obviously this is time lapse, it ain't cooked that quick. You're probably gonna let it go for about 4 to 5 minutes on each side until they're looking as beautiful as my chicken are. And if they ain't, please kindly send them back to the kitchen and start all over again. Nah, I play, but I went ahead and drizzled a little bit more olive oil in the pan, drop my onion, drop my minced garlic. We gonna let them sizzle up, do their thing in that pan as well. The aroma is hitting right now. After that, we're gonna drop in our little tomato puree, as well as some chicken stock. And I forgot to show it in the video, but add a little pinch of sugar as well, a little bit of tomato paste, heavy cream, and we are gonna give this a nice little mix. Get all these flavors, all these wonderful flavors communicating with one another. Let them talk. And we also are gonna add a little bit of Italian seasoning to this as well, and we're gonna let this come up to a little bit of a simmer. Once that's simmering for a little bit, we are going to reintroduce that well seasoned up chicken to this whole little party we got going on. All right, go ahead and drizzle a little bit of that goodness on this chicken. You're gonna let it sit in there for about a minute or so, just so they can, talk to each other, get to know each other, you know what I mean? Cause man, I'm telling you, when this is done, it's so amazing. And this is pretty much the end result right here. And like I said in the beginning, this is perfect for a pasta. Go ahead and boil you some. Chop up your chicken, put it right on top. as well as this good old sauce as well. And bam, you are in the game, baby. Look how juicy that chicken breast look right here, guys. This is so easy, so amazing, so flavorful. Hope you guys enjoyed.